Hi, Prince.
Hi, Sriram.
Yeah, first of all, E-Times wishes you a very happy birthday, happy quarantine birthday.
Thank you, thanks a lot. క్వారంటైన్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ మీకు కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. హెయిర్ పెరిగిపోయి ఏం చేయాలో తెలియట్లేదు. ఐ ట్రైడ్ 1000 ways to set my hair, బట్ ఏది వర్కౌట్ కాలేదు.
Yes, we're following your Insta handle.
So finally, Cap came to my rescue.
Any which ways, you look handsome in any which ways. There are a lot of fans.
Thank you.
So I should definitely start this interview with this question: how is this quarantine birthday special?
See, usually birthdays I always celebrate it at home, but I would have a lot of friends who come over and we all party at home, and there's a big celebration wherein everything is so hectic because you called so many people over and then you want to cater to each and every one and their likings. So నేనొక్కనే కాదు, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మీ మామ్ ఆల్సో యూస్ టు గెట్ వర్క్డ్ అప్. అరే వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు, వీళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు, వాట్ డు దే వాంట్ టు ఈట్, ఈజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ రైట్, అన్నీ ఉన్నాయా, అంతా రెడీగా ఉందా అని. సో దిస్ టైమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వెరీ రిలాక్స్డ్ అండ్ chill birthday scene anamata. So my mom and my uncle who's from the US, my mom's brother, he's back in India and it's been like 3 months now, and he hasn't gotten to go back. So we are at home and we are going to have a small like a birthday party. ఇంకా అంతకు మించి ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే ఏం లేదు, బట్ ఐ ఫీల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మచ్ బెటర్ వన్ ఫర్ మామ్ ఎస్పెషలీ బికాస్ అంత హెక్టిక్ గా ఉండదు and it's going to be a small family gathering kind of a thing. So it is pleasant for my mom and it's going to be a family thing. So routine ga entante eppudu it has been with my friends, and though I love my birthdays with my friends, but this time it is a little different. Ante situation batti manam kuda adjust avutundali kada. So this time it is going to be a family affair. Ma intlo unnollam me maatrame we are going to have a very chill kind of a scene with some light music and some talks and some wine maybe. Yeah.
Nice. And 3 things that you will be missing the most on this birthday.
First thing is obviously my friends, and generally I shop for my birthday, which is not there. Sorry. And then I look crisp on my birthday, which is not possible with this hair. Yeah, these are the 3 things.
Your best birthday?
Best birthday would be my 24th. No, my 25th birthday, where all the actors, we all gathered together. We went to Lahari Stadium, Lahari ground together, resort. So we went there, we played a cricket match. Mottam 24 actors, all the actors, Naresh Anna, Nani Anna, everyone who likes cricket and who is passionate about it. Rather than doing a party in some sort of a club, I decided that we'll have a cricket match, and we had a blast that night. Cricket match అయిపోయిన తర్వాత we had a DJ, and then it was a poolside party wherein everyone were jumping in the pool, and we had a lot of fun that day.
One hell of a party it must be.
Yeah.
And one birthday that you don't want to remember at all.
No birthday that I don't want to remember. Maybe the coming one I don't want to remember because I'm turning too old now, I feel.
Maybe you're missing a lot of people also.
I am missing a few of my friends, but I feel this is also a blessing in disguise. It is fun to have just a family gathering on a birthday.
If there is one thing that you want to tell your 16-year-old self, what would that be?
Nothing much. I wouldn't give any advice as to what to do, because whatever life has taught me and whatever mistakes I've done or the good things I've done, everything is an experience and it has contributed to whatever I am today as a person. So I wouldn't change much, but I would say get a degree maybe.
And you were talking about whatever about having no regrets whatsoever. So, what is that one thing that you've learned the hardest way?
I would say choosing scripts and not being in a hurry. నాకు చాలా like it gave me a hard hit in 2014 and 15, and it took a lot of time, like again 1-2 years patindi to actually get back into my senses and think about what I want to do. So that was a big pullback in my career, I would say, and I'm still actually having to face the problems which I've like consequences of my mistakes when I in the mistakes I did in 2014 and 15. So ఇంకా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి, but this is part and parcel of life of an actor, like ups and downs are common. So yeah, that is one mistake I've done. I feel 1 or 2 scripts which I chose weren't that great. Obviously when you do it you don't know, but I think I could have thought about it better and analyzed it much in a much better way.
Okay. And what is that one thing that TV has taught you?
TV as in television?
Yeah, television has taught you, because you've been in Bigg Boss and you've hosted a television show for a brief period of time. So what is that television has taught you?
One thing I would say television ki movies ki difference enti ante, television audience are vast. It is huger than any cinema theater, I would say. So our perspective lo chuste television has allowed me to reach more and more people and taught me that people always appreciate a good human being and they start loving you as a person rather than just an actor portraying a character.
And how much of your Bigg Boss experience has come handy to you during this lockdown?
I wouldn't say that has helped me a lot. I was always this person. I enjoy I enjoy myself. I do whatever I like, and so even in Bigg Boss that was the same thing. A lot of people had trouble staying inside. I know it's tough, but when you know ilanti situation undani, you might as well fight with it rather than complain about it. So yeah, ippudaithe right now see lockdown lo it is for you that they are saying, they are asking you not to go out. It's not for someone else's benefit. We need to realize that, and once you realize that, it won't be hard at all.
And you are actually setting some fitness goals. You wanted to get back in shape. You're teaching, letting people know how do you do that with, your pictures on social media and especially on Instagram speak everything about it. So what is that? When did you first feel like, yes, I have to get back in shape? Or what is that for someone like a fitness freak like you will say ki entire fit ga unna kuda, what is that one instant that you feel like I'm going out of shape, I have to get back?
See, what happens is once you shoot for a film, recently I was shooting for a web series wherein I was traveling a lot. I was in Thailand for 15 days and then Akkaninchi we came back. We were back in Hyderabad for 3 days and then we flew down to Dholpur, Rajasthan border there.
Yes.
So we were there in Dholpur for 20 days almost. So almost 1 month I wasn't training because shoot was hectic. Outdoor shoots ante adi kuda web series kabatti inkoncham pressure ekku untadi. They want to do a lot of work within less time, and outdoor shoots annappudu they don't have a specific timing. Morning nunchi night varaku we were shooting. So evening అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నైట్ షాట్స్ ఏంటంటే నైట్ షాట్స్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకుని బై ద టైమ్ వి గాట్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ హోటల్ రూమ్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి 10:30 and 11. సో ఫిట్నెస్ గోల్స్ అంటూ సెట్ చేసుకోలేకపోయాను అండ్ ఐ కుడెంట్ వర్క్ అవుట్. అండ్ being in Thailand, like మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫుడ్ దొరకదు. And then Dholpurlo kuda, like it's a very small city. Adi, if you know mana Bandit Queen, Poolan Devi area,
Yes.
it was very interior parts and hills type of. So akkada I couldn't get the proper diet which I needed. Neither did I exercise. So a 1 month off track elnappudu I could see my muscle go down. I could see that my cardio levels are going down. So even Dholpurlo మాకు రన్నింగ్ షార్ట్స్ అవి ఉన్నప్పుడు నాకు జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే షార్ట్స్ 10 సార్లు 20 సార్లు చేసినా ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఐ డోంట్ ఫీల్ దాట్ అంటే ఆల్పు అనేది ఐ నెవర్ ఫెల్ట్. బట్ దిస్ టైమ్ ఐ వాస్ ఫీలింగ్ దట్ మై కార్డియో లెవెల్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ డౌన్. అండ్ దెన్ ఆ వెబ్ సిరీస్లో ఐ వాస్ స్మోకింగ్ యాజ్ వెల్. సో దాట్ టుక్ అ టోల్ ఆన్ మై బాడీ. సో sometimes when your character demands a certain thing, you can't help it. And so adi kuda was one of the factors for my fitness levels getting ruined. So ivanni ayin tarvata when I came back home, mano addanlo prati roju morning lesti, so I have this habit. When I wake up in the morning, I take off my shirt, I stand in front of the mirror and look at myself. A self analysis uncall. It is a small way of self analysis. So when I did that, I wasn't satisfied at what I was looking at, and I felt that I need to get back, and that's where I realized.
Fantastic. And obviously you have been training your mom as well. So how long has it been? Was it the same always, or is it something we're seeing very recently?
So ఏంటంటే my mom, she goes to the office. So morning early she would come back at 11 in the night and like that. Time undedi kaadu. And 1 year nunchi she's been suffering from what do you call it, a frozen shoulder. So and she's tried physiotherapy, she's tried so many things and pani cheyaledu, and she's not being consistent with it. So in lockdown vachinappudu she was working from home. So I suggested ki why don't you work out with me, let's try. So she also realized that నేను కూడా I've been putting on weight and ఈ shoulders కూడా haven't been giving it much time, so I might as well do it. So ఈ lockdown time లోనే we started this program. And now అంటే ముందు she had this problem as in she can't lift her hand beyond the shoulder level. ఇలాగా లేగదు, ఇలా సైడ్ కూడా లేగదు. Now she can lift it till here, but like this. ఇప్పుడు ఇది straight అయితే she can do it till here, which is progress, I must say. So
Okay.
it will take time, but eventually she'll get back to her normal levels.
So tell us, how easy or difficult is it to train with your mother?
It's not very difficult. It actually, in a way, ante I've gained a lot of respect while training her. ఎందుకంటే సమ్టైమ్స్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ థింక్ మామ్స్ ఆర్ వీక్ అండ్ ఏం చేస్తారులే అని, బట్ సమ్టైమ్స్ ఈవెన్ వెన్ షీఈస్ పెయింటింగ్ షీఈస్ లైక్ ఇంకో 2 ఉన్నాయి కదా చేసేసి వెళ్ళిపోతాను, ఆర్ లైక్ దట్ నెవర్ గివ్ అప్ యాటిట్యూడ్ విచ్ ఐ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ హర్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఐ అప్రిషియేట్. అండ్ ఇట్స్ రియలీ అంటే ఇట్ హెస్ చేంజ్డ్ మై రిలేషన్షిప్ ఆర్ మై అప్రోచ్ ఆర్ మై kind of attitude towards her, as in the sense ki strength training ant cheyalereemo anukunnanu, but she's really strong. So it's not at all tough in any way. It only makes the relationship better, I must say.
Nice. And is there anyone that you look up to in this industry in terms of fitness and acting as well?
Yes, there is Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, whom I look up to, and that is one person who has influenced me a lot. And India lo aithe there is Hrithik Roshan and a lot of people like that. Mana industry lo there are immense number of people like Allu Arjun anna Banyan ippudu kuda I see him at the gym working. Samantha, there is Prabhas garu, Rana, there are a lot of fit actors. So Sudhir, especially Sudhir Babu, I still, like, whenever I see his Instagram, I'm always in awe, like, wow. And I call him and I ask him enti alaga and stuff like that. So there are a lot of people I take inspiration from. It's not a single person which I get inspired from. It's multiple personalities.
So I think you must be, you can't wait to get back to gym and with the gym partners as well, I guess.
Yeah,
So
I
you're managing at
definitely
home.
love working out at the gym. I love working at the gym because you get to meet a lot of people while working out. I don't talk, but it's always good to have that kind of an atmosphere which makes you a little bit more competitive, I must say, and a little bit more enthusiastic. So there are recently I was talking at the gym, and they were like, "Abba, ival khaliga undi kada, baga chesukochu." I was like, అలా అనుకుంటా అంతే, బట్ వెన్ దేర్ ఆర్ నో పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ యూ డోంట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్. ఎందుకో నాకు ఆ ఎంతూజియాజం రాదు. అదేంటి బ్రదర్ అలా అంటావు అంటే, సి ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు హైడ్ థింగ్స్. ఇది నిజం. వెన్ దేర్ ఆర్ పీపుల్ అరౌండ్ మనం ఇంకా కాంపిటేటివ్ స్పిరిట్ తో ఇంకా ఎంతూజియాజంతో యూ కీప్ వర్కింగ్ అవుట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక 10 kilos ఎత్తున్నావు అంటే వెన్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ అట్ యూ, యూ డెఫినెట్లీ డూ దట్ 12th kilo. So that is definitely a difference.
And how different it is going to be in this post lockdown phase. Gyms still closed, but even if they resume as well, like the social distancing, all that norms around.
Nakaite, see, I know it is really tough, but I'm thinking as long as I can, I would avoid going out rather than putting myself in jeopardy and my people around me in my family. So maximum enta aithe anta I will keep my distance.
And what was your the biggest fear during lockdown that you had?
Grocery shopping. అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ లో అయితే గ్రోసరీ షాపింగ్ ఒకసారి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అయితే లైక్ ఐ హావ్ సీన్ అ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్ వితౌట్ అ మాస్క్. ఎంత చెప్పినా ఏం చేసినా కూడా there are a few people who think that they are invincible or they are superhero. I request to each and everyone, don't be that. No, superheroes మేము కూడా ప్లే చేస్తామేమో సినిమాల్లో, కానీ no one is a superhero. Every actor right now is promoting wearing a mask, washing your hands, sanitizing your hands, because no one is a superhero. మనం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. Right now there is only one superhero, which is corona, so be careful. Don't take a hit. And yeah, stay safe. Groceries wala నాకు చాలా టెన్షన్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
And now imagine everybody is forced to get out. Okay, I mean in terms of work and all. Okay, so everyone is supposed to get back to work sometime or the other. Now what when you get back to shoots, what are your biggest concerns right now?
See, right now going back to work, I'm not even thinking about going back to work, but they said that shootings illa open chestunaru and all. Concerns would be about multiplying. If there is one person who's affected, I'm worried that it will multiply, and working experience kuda maaripotundi. Like usually you are going and hugging everyone and talking to them. That makes you comfortable in your workspace. So for an actor, surroundings comfortable ga unte you perform better. Endukante no matter how good a performer you are, you will have that small shy when you go to a new atmosphere. So మా యాక్టర్స్ కి అలవాటు ఏంటంటే వెళ్ళి వెళ్ళంగానే కింద నుంచి పై వరకు లొకేషన్ వరకు అందరినీ కూడా పలకరించి ఎలా ఉన్నావు ఏంటి అంటే you make it your space, you make it like your house. So adi cheyadaniki avademo, there will be that distancing, social distancing or whatever a gap edaithe undo adi vachestademo ani oka chinna bayam undi. But hopefully we fight this virus, and ipudu there is a phase 1 testing which is going on and phase 2 kelbotundi. So hopefully we get that vaccine and we don't need to worry about contracting the disease. So.
And I have to ask you this: how about shooting intimate scenes? There are a lot of guidelines being that issued in this regard, but what are your concerns or the fears?
I'm telling you, no intimate scenes. Cut intimate scenes from movies.
For at least a year or two, or how long is it?
అంటే ఇంటిమేట్ సీన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఐ థింక్ ఓకే ద బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ సొల్యూషన్ వుడ్ బి 14 days ముందే ఇంటిమేట్ సీన్ ఉంది అని ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటే ఆ 14 days ఇద్దరిని లాక్డౌన్ లో పెట్టి అన్ని చూసుకొని బాడీ టెంపరేచర్స్ అన్ని చెక్ చేసి దెన్ యూ టేక్ దెమ్ టు షూట్ ఫర్ దాట్ అండ్ దెన్ అగైన్ టేక్ దెమ్ బ్యాక్ టు క్వారంటైన్ ఫర్ 14 days.
Oh.
So each intimate scene will take almost 1 month.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think that's something that producers have to think about, really. And I think there will be a lot of cons as well for that.
ఏమో మరి ఏముంటాయి, ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ దే విల్ డు. మేబీ దే విల్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఆల్టర్నేట్స్.
One useful thing and one useless thing that you have done in this lockdown.
One useful thing is I've learned some sort of cooking. Now I can make rotis, I can make sabzi, and pani puri anta easy ga నేర్చుకున్నాను, pav bhaji anta easy ga నేర్చుకున్నాను. సో అలాంటివి కొన్ని కుకింగ్ స్టఫ్ అయితే నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను. వన్ యూస్లెస్ స్టఫ్ ఐ డిడ్, I think I started this online gaming with my friends, and eventually I stopped it and I told them అరే ఇంకెప్పుడు నన్ను అయితే అడగద్దు అని. బికాస్ ఏమవుతుందంటే once you start that there is no end to it. ఒక 4 hours 5 hours పోతూనే ఉంది every day, and ఒక 1 week 10 days తర్వాత I realized that అమ్మా ఇంత టైం వేస్ట్ అయిందా ఇందులో అని. సో see, recreation is definitely necessary, but it shouldn't be like it is consuming 30% of your daily life. So you can do so many better things and creative things, especially for me. Okay, if you're a professional gamer, I can understand, but I don't want to waste time on gaming and stuff like that. Yeah.
Now they're saying unlock 1.0, say the restrictions have been a bit eased out. So
restaurants open outside. Yeah.
In a hypothetical situation, if this lockdown is being revoked, what is that one thing you want to have a stop on?
Lots and lots of groceries and maybe some wine for sure. Yeah.
And I should ask you this, like lockdown has been a blessing for some couples and not for some others. So how is it for you?
నాకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. మాకు see, I'm a very sorted guy, so it is, I don't think anything of that sort would affect me or my partner. So yeah, it has never been a problem.
Great. And if you have to give up acting for cricket, will you? Or why wouldn't you?
No, I wouldn't, because see, cricket was my love, I definitely understand, but ever since I started acting, I only wanted to do this, and I've come leaps and bounds from where I started off as an actor, and now it is just the right time to actually reap all the benefits out of it. So I want to prove myself as an actor, and I want to get everything out of this which I've chosen to be.
Great. And any plans of coming back to TV if something exciting happens?
Yes, definitely. Why not? Even that is acting. Like people say television aithe koncham takkuva or silver screen aithe koncham ekkuva. I don't realize such facts, because ab only ikkada mana industry lone ilanti talks unnayi. There is Bollywood, wherein everyone is pretty open to doing multi-dimensional work, and in fact if you consider, నేను ఇందాక ఫ్రెండ్స్ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను, సో జెనిఫర్ అనిస్టన్ చూస్తే వేర్ షీ స్టార్టెడ్ అండ్ వేర్ షీ ఈస్ రైట్ నౌ, అండ్ దెర్ ఆర్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టర్స్ who have done television as well as silver screen. So movies ki television ki there's a close relationship which actors should realize, and the faster they realize, the better for them. And yeah, I would love to work on good projects though. Good projects.
Good.
That is a condition.
Wishing you such good projects ahead, and once again a very happy birthday. Any last lines that you want to share to your fans?
Be safe. ఈ గ్రోసరీ స్టోర్లో నన్ను భయపించడం ఆపేయండి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మాస్క్ వేసుకుని తిరగండి, and don't get into too close proximity with people. Sometimes I realize that there are a lot of people who realize that ఒకరికొకరు దగ్గర వెళ్ళకూడదు ఈ టైంలో అని, but there are some people ఇలా తలగొక్కుంటూ వచ్చి పక్కన నుంచి పోతారు. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ డూ దట్ బడీ. డోంట్ think of me as అంటే a bad person, but serious గా there are a lot of people who are unconsciously going closer to people, not wearing a mask and ఏమవుతుంది మనకేమవుతుందిలే తొక్కలే అనుకుని బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోయిన వాళ్ళు. ప్లీజ్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్. మీ కాదు, మీ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళకి అనవసరంగా. ఇప్పుడు నీకు వచ్చింది, నీ తప్పు వల్ల నువ్వు పోయావు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీ తప్పు వల్ల మీ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఎవరో ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతే చాలా you can never forgive yourself if someone in your house has to suffer the consequences of your mistakes. Me mistakes ki neekemana ayindi ante I can understand because you've done it, but imagine someone else getting affected, someone like your grandparents, because plus 60 plus 55 ante immunity taggipotundi and the chances of death are very high. Ila maatladukodu, but chances of death are very high. సో ప్లీజ్ బీ కేర్ఫుల్. మీ తప్పు వల్ల నీకేం కాకపోవచ్చు, బట్ మీ తప్పు వల్ల అనవసరంగా మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎవరికైనా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతే మాత్రం యూ క్యాన్ నెవర్ ఫర్గివ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. దట్ విల్ బీ మార్క్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్. ఈ టైంలో ఇంట్లో ఉండండి. ఎస్, హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారా? డెఫినెట్గా హెల్ప్ చేయండి. దెర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ స్ట్రగ్లింగ్. దెర్ ఆర్ చాలా మంది, I know of people who are not earning and they don't have food, so definitely help them, but take all the precautions. Wear a mask, sanitize, don't touch your eyes. uttide face ni touch cheyaddu. So be as careful as possible. And soon ippudu unlock kuda start avutundi. అన్లాక్ అయినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు రెస్టారెంట్లు ఓపెన్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్పి రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ఓకే, రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళాం. What are you going to do? You have to sit on a table, and if you have to eat, you have to take off that mask. As soon as you take off that mask, you are putting your life in jeopardy. So please don't, unless and until it is a compulsion. Like there are a lot of people who don't know how to cook and who don't have gas at home. You can go pick up a parcel. ఈ రెస్టారెంట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మన కంఫర్ట్ కోసం కానీ మనల్ని చంపేయడానికి కాదు. సో యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ యూ ఆర్ సేఫ్, it is all fine. So stay safe and don't risk your life. చాలా ఎక్కువ చెప్పాను.
Very important, especially as we are prepping up for more unlocking.
అన్లాక్ వల్లే నాకు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ భయం వేస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఎవ్రీవన్ థింక్స్ దట్ అన్లాక్ అంటే కరోనా ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది. కరోనా ఎండ్ అవ్వలేదు. కరోనా ఇస్ స్టిల్ దేర్. అన్లాక్ ఏంటంటే చాలా మందికి డిస్కంఫర్ట్ అవుతుంది. టు హెల్ప్ దెమ్ ఓవర్కమ్ ఆల్ ద డిస్కంఫర్ట్ అండ్ లివ్ కంఫర్టబుల్లీ. కంఫర్ట్ కోసం, అంతేగాని ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫర్ లగ్జరీ. సో యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ యువర్ కంఫర్ట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్, ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. గో గెట్ అ పార్సల్ ఫర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఐ డూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ there are a lot of people who are struggling even that way. Dabbunadi, they want to eat but they don't know how to cook, neither do they have gas. So alanti problems chala metro cities lo especially untunnai. So you can go get a parcel, but don't open undi kada ani cheppi don't go and sit and party.
And may you have a great birthday and a great year ahead. And
thank you
wishing you all the very best. Looking forward to see you on television as well.
Thank you.